Hello and Jai Hind everyone. Today I'm not creating a vlog. This is just an overview to witness one of the most historical moments of NDA passing out parade. Let's go ahead.
Serial number 2324. Serial number 2324.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cadets you see marching onto the parade ground are contingent markers taking their positions. The rest of their contingents will soon enter the parade ground from the sides of the quartermaster's fort. They will move to the left and to the right of the parade ground and then line up.
आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि आप सब अपना ध्यान सामने की तरफ ले जाएं। आप देखेंगे कि कंटिंजेंट मार्कर्स अपना स्थान ले रहे हैं। बाकी कंटिंजेंट जल्द ही परेड प्रांगण पर आएंगे और दाहिने और बाएं मुड़कर अपने स्थान पर खड़े होंगे।
Today, there are 1,341 cadets on parade. Out of these, 337 cadets of the 148th Corps will pass out of the National Defence Academy, out of which 219 are Army cadets, 41 Naval cadets, and 77 Air Force cadets. This term, we have 17 international cadets from 11 different countries: Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Lesotho, Malaysia, and Bangladesh passing out with the 148th Corps. The National Defence Academy has stood as a shining testimony to India's relationship with its friendly foreign countries. This is evident from the fact that the National Defence Academy is presently training 120 cadets from 22 different foreign countries.
The sound of the bugles, ladies and gentlemen, heralds the entry of the cadets onto the parade ground. And there they come out through the gates of the quartermaster's fort, marching smartly to the inspirational
Drill inculcates discipline, which is the bedrock of military.
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is accompanied by flypast. The first one was with three Chetak helicopters in ensign formation. Captaining the first helicopter was Group Captain Sai Kiran, 105th Corps, India Squadron, and his co-pilot was Lieutenant Commander Anmol, 133rd Corps, Romeo Squadron. This second helicopter was captained by Wing Commander Pankaj Bolkar, 114th Corps, Oscar Squadron, and his co-pilot was Squadron Leader Ashish Saklani, 133rd Corps, Delta Squadron. The third helicopter was captained by Squadron Leader Aditya Shekhar, 123rd Corps, Paul Squadron, and his co-pilot was Squadron Leader Nikhil. This second flypast will be by three Super Demona aircraft in three Shakti formation. The first aircraft will be captained by Wing Commander A.B. Kulkarni, 98th Coast Drums Band, led by Subedar Major G. Ram, and the 3rd Wing Air Force Band, led by Warrant Officer Sanjay Kumar. Ladies and gentlemen, when the Nishan Toli passes in front of you, you are requested to rise, and those in uniform will salute as a mark of respect for the President's colors.
Leading the parade is Academy Cadet Captain Udayveer Singh Negi, followed by the cadets of Ghost Squadron, proudly carrying the Chiefs of Staff banner. The contingent is led by Squadron Cadet Captain Aditya Omi.
Ladies and gentlemen, please look straight ahead. You can see 3 Super Demona in 3 Shakti formation flying across the parade ground.
The contingent of Charlie Squadron, led by Squadron Cadet Captain Nitish Yadav. The contingent of Romeo Squadron, led by Squadron Cadet Captain Ansh Kumar. The contingent of India Squadron, led by Squadron Cadet Captain Shishir Joshi. The contingent of Lima Squadron, led by Squadron Cadet Captain Pravdeep Singh.
सब लोग को आगे आगे को देखना था आगे को
The contingent of Juliet Squadron, led by Squadron Cadet Captain Yandesh A. Patil. The contingent of November Squadron, led by Squadron Cadet Captain Abhay. The contingent of Bravo Squadron, led by Squadron Cadet Captain Shivansh. The contingent of Panther Squadron, led by Squadron Cadet Captain Vishak Sharma. The Nishan Toli, proudly carrying the President's colors.
कौन से स्क्वाड्रन में?
The contingent of Mike Squadron, led by Squadron Cadet Captain Shubham Latwan. The contingent of Alpha Squadron, led by Squadron Cadet Captain Sumit Pandey. The contingent of Kilo Squadron, led by Squadron Cadet Captain Sachidananda Vishwakarma. The contingent of Foxtrot Squadron, led by Squadron Cadet Captain Nikhil Jangra. The junior cadets will go back to the quartermaster's fort away from you, and the cadets of the passing out course will march towards the quarterdeck. The parade will culminate with cadets of the passing out course and the junior courses forming up and marching slow.
एक कठिन परिश्रम का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण दिन है.
The cadets are now forming up in preparation for the culmination of the parade. The cadets of the passing out course will proceed towards the Antim Pug at the quarterdeck. The Antim Pug is marked at the quarterdeck.
Dilip Dhonde, Shaurya Chakra, the first Indian solo circumnavigator of the globe. Captain H.D. Motiwala, who became the first Indian.
The troops survived and as a method of conveying orders. It was used in times of battle as a means of exciting that grand passion, which the fiercest of Mauritians could know. Playing this inspiring music today, we have 4 bands. These bands are the National Defence Academy Military Band, led by Subedar C.
cadets of this institution have been consistent in making the most of the excellent around the world and also done the country proud on the sports field. Some of those whom we mention with special pride are Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma, Ashok Chakra, the first Indian to enter space. Commander Dilip Dhon.
Of circumstances, I have not winced nor cried aloud under the bludgeonings of chance. My head.
And to the right of the quarterdeck, you'll see cadets manning the Jacob's ladders on the quarterdeck mast. These cadets belong to the first term of the academy. They'll cheer the cadets of the passing out course. There'll be a fly past to honor the success of the passing out course as the cadets approach the quarterdeck. We wish the cadets of the 148th course good fortune and glorious years of service to the nation in keeping up with the highest traditions of the academy and living up to its motto, service before self.
सच है, विपत्ति जब आती है, कायर को ही दहलाती है। सूरमा नहीं विचलित होते, क्षण एक नहीं धीरज खोते। विघ्नों को गले लगाते हैं, कांटों में राह बनाते हैं। शूलों को मूल नसाते हैं, पर खुद विपत्ति पर छाते हैं। आज 148 कोष के कैडेट इसी दृढ़ निश्चय व इन्हीं फौलादी इरादों के साथ जीवन के अगले पड़ाव की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं।
It is this discipline and loyalty that the nation is proud of. In every warrior,
Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole. I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears, loom